Whiteboards and animated videos have become one of the most effective ways for businesses and marketers to sell online and communicate with their target audience. Animaker is a whiteboard animation tool that enables beginners, non-designers, and professionals to create animation and live-action videos for every moment, featuring drag-and-drop editing, character builders, and a catalog of stock images and videos. It encourages marketing teams to increase their output by incorporating moving visuals into their campaigns. Animaker allows you to build projects based on the concept of scenes. Its main feature is its animated character templates, which you can use or build, add unique movements and expressions to, and even synchronize to any audio you've supplied to your project. Animaker helps create content like 2D and 3D animations, whiteboard videos, infographic videos, vertical videos, GIFs, YouTube thumbnail makers, online courses, and much more. Users can create eye-popping animated videos effortlessly with just a few clicks. Animaker enables users to upload and edit videos in 4K resolution and do rapid resizing for all social sites. This means that users do not need to generate separate videos for multiple platforms. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this animation tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Animaker review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Animaker. What does Animaker really do? Animaker is a cloud-based animation software that allows users to create animated videos quickly and easily using pre-made templates, characters, and other features. It offers a wide range of customizable options to help users create unique and professional animation videos without any prior design or animation experience. The video quality is further enhanced by its animation tools and ability to add text-to-speech, voiceovers, subtitles, overlays, custom fonts, and transitions. With its advanced features and customizable interface, Animaker simplifies the animation process, improves viewer engagement, and enhances storytelling. Animaker is designed for various purposes, from creating a compelling storyline that draws in viewers to advertising your latest product through impressive features like customizable characters and prop assets. Teams using Animaker can generate custom and standout characters with various accessory slots and facial features, add voiceovers, and create complex animations. They can also add subtitles to videos and watermark all content. Animaker allows businesses to import contents that include branded logos, photos, themes, mascots, videos, and more. The text-to-speech generator helps teams create voiceovers with a variety of supported voices and languages, as well as other customization possibilities. Benefits and key features of Animaker. 1. User-friendly interface. Animaker is easy to use without a learning curve, even for newbies with zero technical skills. The drag-and-drop interface and pre-made templates make it simple to create professional animations. 2. Customizable option. Animaker provides a wide range of customizable options, including characters, backgrounds, and text styles, allowing users to create unique animations. 3. Export high-quality videos. Animaker provides high-quality animations, ensuring that your videos look professional and polished, and exports them in top-notch resolutions. 4. AI text-to-speech with Animaker. The Animaker AI voice feature allows you to convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers, saving you the time and effort of recording audio. 5. Multi-user collaboration. Animaker allows you to create videos in real time with your teammates, making it easier to create, brainstorm, and collaborate on the go. 6. Character creator. Animaker allows you to create characters that are truly unique and stand out. You can even spice up your videos with over 15 facial features and over 10 accessory slots to choose from. 7. Extensive facial expressions. Animaker helps you bring your characters and videos to life by providing a large collection of different facial expressions. 8. Music tracks and sound effects. Animaker's audio library contains thousands of music tracks and sound effects that are completely royalty-free, ensuring that you have a great listening experience. Animaker pricing and plans. Animaker offers a range of subscription plans that cater to different needs and budgets. The free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Basic, Starter, Pro, and Enterprise plans. However, the Enterprise plan comes with the most features, support, and training. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited character and prop assets. Pros: easy-to-use interface with an extensive collection of stock footage, creative and customizable templates, unlimited access to professionally crafted templates, best for marketing and designing unique contents, integration of voiceovers and royalty-free music and sound. No technical knowledge or prior experience is required. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: you need to upgrade to a paid plan to export full HD and 4K resolution videos. Conclusion: Animaker allows you to create amazing personal, business, and marketing videos on your own time and with little effort. It is an ideal tool for meeting the growing demands of video marketing because of the features and functionality that have been built in. Due to the fact that Animaker is cloud-based, it allows you to save all of your work on secure cloud servers. Animaker offers one of the world's largest animation libraries, with over 1 million subscribers across 180 countries. This form of support sets them above the competition in the industry. If you intend to create videos for instructional, marketing, or personal purposes, it offers an easy-to-learn platform as well as a large selection of royalty-free media. The animation styles are not only visually stunning, but also effectively capture the attention of the audience, thereby increasing engagement and conversion rates. Animaker is ready to work with you to achieve marketing success. Take advantage of its capabilities to streamline your marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights with ease. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Animaker. If you enjoyed this Animaker review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.